Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your XIAOMI Smart Band 10 for the first time. So first, we need to choose our language. So for me, primarily language will be English. Now, what we gotta do is download the app to pair the band. So I've got my phone with me. I'll scan the code right now, so let me just do that. Here we need to open it in Chrome. Now let's download the app. Let's click get, and now we gotta confirm it because it's an iPhone. Doesn't really matter which phone do you use, so all that matters is that you download the app and pair the watch itself. So I'll wait for the app to download. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. Now let's click open, and here, as you guys can see, we need to do the start. Now here, grant the mandatory permissions listed above. You don't need to enroll in a user experience program if you don't want to. I don't like to. So now let's choose our region here. So just type in your country, go next. And here, what you guys want to do is basically probably leave the app. Now go to camera again, and now scan the QR code. So now let's do it again. Let's click open. And now, since we opened the app, let's go to device. Now allow the device to be found. So now let's go to scanner. Sorry, I cannot do that because I'm not signed into the XIAOMI account, so give me a second. So now, after connecting to the XIAOMI account, what we can do is click this little plus button here. Now go to basically app device, and here we will have our Smart Band 10. So now it's connecting, as you guys can see. Now let's click this little button here, and now let's confirm it on our phone. Now let's click allow, and now, as you guys can see, the watch is finally paired. So what we can do is skip all of that. It's not that important now. And as you guys can see, now we have the widget, control center, notifications, and features. So basically, when we try to use our watch, it'll look something like this. Basically, here we have all of the information. And now, as you guys can see, everything is done properly, but here we will have the update available. So basically, this is just a firmware update. And beside this, our watch is finally ready to use, as you guys can see. So this is how you guys can easily set it up for the first time. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and comment. That means a lot to us. See you next time.